know why that zoomed in, but I guess it wants me to say Facebook, YouTube, and Google. Justin David Myers. Like, subscribe, share. Ustream.tv, component of entertainment, and .1 on iTunes. Y'all know who I is. Ustream.tv, like I said. Tune in live. Thank you all. We good. Turn that shit up. Big ups to thatpip.com. Everybody with us. All our affiliates all around the world. Sorry I'm so busy. I love this shit. Nas. Everybody who's with us. All these composers that fuck with us. Really don't appreciate it. Let's get that work out there. Please. Thank you. Come on. I do this hot shit, fire flame, burn you at your coffin. That's nonsense, man, dog shit. I'ma piss on your ass and your ass shit. Ooh, damn, that's some hot shit. You're hot flashing, might wanna get some cold reactions. So yeah, how a nigga name .1 does it in a dramatical fashion and lay your ass fast, kid. I don't give a fuck about shit, except for money, my family, and everything that I love, dig. This is how I do, I am not a kid. Haven't been ever since I was 9 or 8 or 7, 6 or 5 or 4 or 3 deuce. Ooh, no one may be dying for sure. Oh, damn, I let that words them roll. I'ma keep doing what I got to, bro. I'm cold and hard and raw like cocoa. Do you need some? I can fix it by the bolo. Ooh, put it in a pirate jar, mix it with the soda. B12, maybe some acetone to get hold, bruh. Maybe some soda. Talking about Sprite so it turns yellow. Man, I know how to cook it up. Bail me. Out where the fuck the cartel at home? Me. Cause you know I move keys like it's nothing. 2 dealership plates, what? I could show them. But then the police would probably have them on his license plates or something. I'm not with that done shit. We could move packages. You a nonsense. You won't even see the shit that I bring in. Maybe a car, a couple rings I'm flashing. Sipping water. This music is my passion. Big up to DatPip and everybody who's a composer with them. Ooh, yeah. That's how I do this. Big ups to everybody who's with us. Who's on this? Young Thug, Migos, Future, Nas, Cuts. That shit is so hot. I am not a snake, bruh. You know how I does mainstream secular commercial music. 45, 55, 55 minutes of me throwing freestyles at all you, yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Millisecond for millisecond, yeah. Kill that shit. Mainstream secular commercial music, I do this. How long have I been throwing these? You can't deny that I does this music. You try to act like you does shit, then you wanna fight cause you getting hurt, yeah. That was last year, and I'ma bring you some new shit. How's this? .1 POINT-ONE. I can spell out things. CAPONEDUBENTERTAINMENT. Haha, how you like them things? WILD 106.1. You know who the fuck I is, yo. Thank you all for tuning in to who I am, the Tascam 8-track digital for the studio on there. I gotta go and wash my clothes. Might get a chance for some free promotion if I talk deep. Oh, flipping zones. I'll be blowing that dough. 20 different places all around the world, man. You know I'm that cold. I'm hungry there, folks. I'm chilling with the ones that I know. In my bloodline and lineage, the kings and queens that raised the player, folk. Oh, all the knowledge that we know. Everything that's given to us from above. Or under the ground, that sun doesn't really matter because we getting all of the knowledge. How you like that? Now the genius, Miss Hits the producer. Okay. You say you smoking, but I see you hating. I know your blunt blazing, know you're trying to post some papers. You be faking. What, cause you got money? Or maybe your family can front you 400 or 500. What's that shit? Now you're trying to act like you're hard kid, rolling around in car that isn't even your kid. Why? Cause you might have some good credit if you're not buying houses and giving money and paying homage. We ain't with it, you stupid, you dumb shit. I'm talking about all these haters that are against me. Thank you for giving me those thoughts that I could piss on you. Okay. I don't fuck with the police, I do whatever I want to. I sell drugs, I fuck hoes, I do this, that's so true. And how do you know, dude? Because you are tuned in. Thank you for viewing, I appreciate that, my friend. So let's go tell all of the rest then. All of these fakes and haters, suckers, and these good ones. need to know who I is so they can see that true shit. Justin David, MYERS, Google that shit. Pick up your cell phone and survey that business. iTunes, Amazon, Rhapsody, IME, yeah, POINT, huh? You can see my face there, and I don't have no time for no cameo without payment. Thank you all for that shit. I appreciate it. Walking around the town because I own them. How do you like that? This is not an omen. I know that y'all homos, so go and suck a fat dick. Haha, laughing. Facebook, YouTube, Google, you know this shit. Is so many videos, you can watch them for so many days, yeah. I even got songs. I'm on my 5th album. I'm working on my 6th consecutive since 2010, bruh. And wait till it drops, it hits, and you like, fuck, did this nigga really do it? I'm like, yes, I did. Can you slump that shit? Microphone check, blood. What's up there, son? You ain't with us, cuz. Yo, excuse me, that's one. These instrumentals, I'm kind of proud of these ones. Man, made me happy. And they're instrumentals from our video. There's no new instrumentals posted for the 7th. These were all instrumentals that were posted on the 26th before 12 a.m. And I appreciate y'all having my back there because y'all know how I like to rap. Okay. It's in that all black 2-door Bonnie and Clyde. I'ma bang that 2020 Bonnie and Clyde from my second album, Mary. Okay. It's in that all black 2-door Bonnie and Clyde. White vest, no stress with the gun on their side. Tell me you don't like it, yeah, that stuff that you think in your mind. So he thought he put a finger at you, blow it out right. The sheriff's coming, left the dust from the horse that he's killing. He heard 2 bodies on the floor in the saloon they were playing. Plus the bank got robbed, somebody pulled his car. Must be that 020 Bonnie and Clyde. So let's ride, I'm in all black Chucks, black Dickies, black beanie, windows pitch black, tinted wipers on, can't see me. It's raining, got the mud on the chaps to match the blood on the spurs. For contemplating her curves, I love Bonnie. Pour a glass of GMB, take a seat, pull this first one. The last day's vision has a gall on it, hurting, flirting and not turning. Every night in my sleep I breathe steadily, try to proceed, I have beats in my dreams. I can't sleep, it's hard to boil it gold in the chrome, loaded Bonnie on my side. It's daybreak, shorty wake up and roll out, wipe off and redress. Vicane Mardi Gras beads hanging on my chest. How you like that shit? Freestyles turn to these writtens turn to freestyles. I do it cause that's religious. Ooh, we mainstream secular, so I don't talk about that shit. Real talk or any type of I don't talk about politics or religion, man. Not to say I don't have one, not to say I'm not me. You know what I mean? I want y'all to see my case report, my case summary for this court case we fucking with. I do my thing, I keep on riding and rolling, blowing these doors. I'm so high, that shit is so potent, potato. How do you like it? You know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write down what happened that day in San Luis Obispo. Damn, ouch. How do you like it? Do you think you got something that you can get from me? So we back live. I saw the camera switch off, the instrumental still the same, ain't shit switched up. I'm Justin David, MYERI. How y'all feeling today? This is what I do, you know. I love that mainstream secular commercial music. This is that G shit. Yes, that's some true ish. And yes, I'm the business. This is industry sufficient as cap. Being my so can all them. Thank you all for having our back where you at, cuz listening to this music like who the fuck is that there? I know the fuck I'm dirty. Took a shower, brushed my teeth, kid. Going around the block, smoking blunts of that chronic. The chronic 2014, you know I got it. I need some people to buy it, pick it from me. Aye. Got a long way to go. This is not a short video. These are not short videos. So what kind of rap artist doesn't stand in the studio at least an hour out of the day? and shoot something that the world can see? That's my question. So you wanna get big, you wanna get hard, you wanna have bullet guards, wanna roll in fancy cars, want diamonds on your pinky like ours, want a diamond on your ear that makes the fucking girls go, gosh, that shit's hot shit. I'm about that business. And Lucifer, he's my son. I just grounded him cause he was stupid, didn't know I did dishes. They cooked me what I wanted like grits, kid. That's some hot shit. Flame fire straight from the pulpit. As I'm talking, you scraped it just like the residue on the top. Yup. That's the butter, the cream. You know it rules everything around me. I'ma slang that shit, G, and about them. Gotta get some new sheen, cause my shit so dirty, so cheap. Real talk, it's that potent shit. Does it get better than this? Maybe if he doesn't cut it anymore, kid. How you like that shit? They cutting grams thinking they hustlers, man. Real talk, they get stupid as fuck. Them ass fags, sucking the dick. I'm a hustler, baby, mainstream, secular, commercial music, lady. AG, I need a couple $100,000 so I can make this world go crazy. I'm not wasteful, and I don't give shit to people who don't deserve it. Thank you all for having my back, cause I'ma investigate if I have it on me. Big ups, how you like it? Nation secular commercial music, I do this, I'm with it. Yes, that's the business, I kick it, I'm spitting, I'm blowing new slip shit. All I need is 100,000 a year. That'll make me cool here for this shit. Then I'll move up from there. You like that? What if it doesn't get bigger? 10 years, that'll make me 1 million. Ooh wee, that's chillin'. Can I fucking slang dope too, killer? I'm pretty sure I can, dealer. So who's got the best connect besides me, pillow? Put my head on the pillow and lay back as I smoke all these fat sacks. Tetrahydro can never know, I'm on that. Whatever time it might be, like that, I'm about my business, you know, son? I do my thing, it's a long stuff. 30, 45 minutes, 55 minutes, some of the videos are an hour long. How the fuck you like that shiznit? This is mainstream music, yes we own it, the government's on us. The FBI task force, even the NRA be watching us, cuz. Thank you all for helping us out. Like I don't got a pistol to slip your ass with. Gotta make sure it's clean, kid, don't show the clip, cause then they say it's loaded. How the fuck did you know then? Did he pull it out, start waving it and shit? I'm pretty sure he didn't, cause if he did, then somebody on my camera crew would've catched it. I mean, captured that business. Listen to these instruments. Instead of house payments. I got house payments instead of mortgages. I got car payments that are the same price as my earlobe. Real talk, and my earlobe costs the same though. How you like that, folks? Diamonds on my pinky, I'm still paying these off, and it's been years off. And I'm paying 100 up, my son. Talk about green, black, blue, red, and white diamonds. That shit is fire, I'm inside them, burning them just like this red shirt that I'm showing them. How you like this music that I'm flowing, kid? Make sure secular commercial poetry. I'm a hustler, a hater, no that's not me. I do my thing, I just know music, money, women, and drugs. Like LSD, weed, sherm, heroin, and other types of drugs. Norcos and Vicodins just cause I'm a hustler, blood. I do this shit and I don't post stunts. Pull the gun out and blow buck, buck, buck. Ooh, what, do you think you know that? Cause I do my thing and I don't give a fuck. You want some more? Baby girl, go get your pillow and lay down. Listen to this sound. You hear it now? I keep recording from studio speakers. 45, 55 minutes, this is what I'm doing. Recording too, got the mixer cute kid. I can turn it off and on anytime that I want to. So where's my producers that do that can sit there like that's hot? Let's run that shit through, dude. I got writers all around the world. I'm trying to earn some few credits, as you know. That's the upper echelon and buy a couple gas stations and a couple plane bases. I'ma put my money into wars, gangster. Start building weapons of mass destruction, hater. And then I'll go into another nation. Be like, hey, I could bring a nuke if you wanna pay me. They already called me a terrorist. Had me locked down for half of my life and shit. A decade, 11, 12, or maybe, After so many years, you start forgetting, peers. Real talk, y'all faces, they look the same there, yeah. I don't even know what your name is, I've done been down, cuz. They tryna say that they hard, but I run black, their blood. Level 4s, level 3s, you know who the fuck I is. I'm not running crip, I'm not saying I'm anything other than I is. How do you like that shit? I'm flowing with the music, instrumental composing shit by these hot ass composers who be slumping them. Nat the genius, cause he be fucking with that gangster shit. No, I'm not gonna give you any information, that's the biz. I don't talk about shit. Even Lindsay Lohan, if she does some coke and suck the dick, it's quiet. How you like that ish? Where's the paparazzi at? They trying to talk some shit like they fucking know something. Well, get right into your home. Now we cruising, fam. Take you out. What's a life? What's a death around our fam? Real talk. Kill your ass. I could stay located in the studio. Still have people all around the world talking shit about me, bruh. Good or bad, whatever it might be. That's good. Let's see if this one has more time in it. Appreciate y'all having my back, man. For the ones who are watching. So yeah, this is a period where I'm not smoking blunts in every video at the beginning because I'm going to court. San Luis Obispo, California. I can start speaking up judges and stuff if you really want me to. Check this out. I got a jury trial. The Readiness Conference is on March 23rd. How you like that shit? I'm ready. And I'm a hard hitter. You better be stable, player. Sit there where you at. Cause I don't understand why the city didn't let me drop that. I wasn't drunk and I wasn't high. And I'm pretty sure they don't got a piss test. Oh my. I do whatever I like. Hold on, I wasn't even high then. What the fuck is that, right? Alright, I'ma piss on you tonight. Cause as soon as fucking February comes, I'm dry. Hello, real lies, I'm a hustler. If you in the courts, I despise. Unless you got some pretty eyes, a great smile, and a life, and a mind that it not be compared to, alright? I'm a hustler here, baby. Point one. Hold on. I wanna get on a different flow. Okay. Yeah. How y'all feel? We let the phones chirp, we let the drugs fail, we let the hoes do what the girls do, and we ride cause we do whatever we do, boo. I am so true. Mainstream, secular, commercial music, this too. Justin David, MYERS, Facebook, YouTube, and Google. Like, subscribe, share. Don't forget about Docket Boy Raw, docketboyraw.wyx.com. We the best promotion team, bruh. Justin David, MYERS at yahoo.com. Plus Docket Boy Raw at gmail.com. Holla at us, y'all. I'm a hustler, baby, roll through ride, and all you suckers hate it. Cause I don't have any money, I'm broke as fuck, and I'm still me. Yup, I'm in the fucking screen, turn it up, and you acting like I'm not. Yeah, fuck all y'all, just call Wild 106 and ask them. Request me. Real talk, you might as well listen, cause I'ma say hello, do it for any season. Did I do it? I'm G-Kid. What is Christmas? Xmas, sex them, hey, yeah. Y'all check out all our albums and singles, yo, so for real niggas do real things. And one-handed from the Prime 2014, check out that. Those two singles, those are two newest singles. Real niggas do real things and one-handed with my family. The Prince of the Earth, Drugs for Sale, Drip Dab and RZA. Y'all know RZA, you know what I mean? I don't speak about myself. I don't speak about anybody who you know. So we do this shit, you know what I mean? I'm gonna let y'all know the people that y'all don't know. So real talk. If y'all don't know, y'all know them now. Y'all know who we talking about. So my family be in here with me. If you're not released with me, you can't be in the picture with me. Let's do it like that. And the song's gotta be fun. Or another song. It's cause I'm not gonna let any of those fucking fake cats jump up in. They're waiting for a contract, they waiting for a written. They're waiting for someone to roll up in a Mercedes Benz up, or a Lincoln Continental, or a limo, or a Hummer, or a Bentley, or a Rolls Royce. What you thinking, son? I'm a nasty, ignorant, dumb fatherfucker, hustler, middle finger, no Romo. That's my tongue cut. Do it, I'm a hustler. Gangsta shit I'm banging. I fuck beautiful women all around the world and nation. She says that she's patient. I got some patience. I gotta tend to cause I'm a doctor like Dre is. Real talk, we fix them. Big ups to Labada, me rock. My dude, chick, McNick, and the whole crew is setting cast on them. Hustler player, still drugs that gangster. What time is it? I'm not stopping, baby. It's too early, hater. We're only minutes in, and I know I started at 1:30. What the fuck it is? I'm processing this. I get to business. My number's listed. You can Google me and find the shit. But if the bill's not paid, then I can't get a call, kid. And if you don't tell me you paid the bill, then I don't know then, Ride up, roll, smoke, blunts, get so high. I'm fucking these hoes, they love me and they my alibi. I'm hustling right, all I wanna do is sell some drugs. I gotta get some money, so I'm breaking it up, not something. I don't give a fuck it. That right there is something. That's 40, 55, 60, 70, 80 items. I do this, still got 20. I can slang it if I'm wanting. I don't give a fuck that, honey. I'm a hustler, do you need something? Some drugs, some narcotics, some hot sauce. I put it on and now you say your throat burning. I love that, it's so good, it's so gone. Yeah, and it drips you like to get some water. Put it in your nasal cavity. Oh, what's up, bruh? They say my mind's twisted and I'm fucked up. It's more like I don't like men and I kill everyone I come round. How you like that? I'm not putting you down, I'm just saying your dick's small or it's not, whatever that is, Nasty, dumb fuck, that's some gay shit. Do my thing, ride, roll. Player, you don't like this? Mainstream, secular, commercial, devil, damn music. Fatherfuck, I love your face. I'm looking for good ones. Groupies, movies, roles, places, money, paper. Hey, cuz, currency, gangster, hustle, anything, muscle. We don't tussle. I don't give a fuck what you thinking about these rhythms, these vocals and these lyrics that I'm spitting. This trill shit, they coming straight out of my mouth, fast and connected, and they as real as ish. You know that they make cents and dollars. Why the fuck wouldn't they, kid? Cause you could say some shit, it just sounds stupid and retarded. Sorry, big ups, but I'm not going to say ignorant, cause I'm half black, half white. The chain Mardi Gras beads is showing it. I'm Creole, I'm that nigga who says anything I'm wanting to. And yeah, I'm in the hood. Sorry, there's no reason to fight for this, but all these white boys that think that they can say they is, they better have the motherfucking proper information and bruh tracing ish lineage, and I would check, cause you can't just get in the industry and say you anything. How you like that shit? This thing I am. Cause look at Eminem, he got cut cause his ass is real gay. There's There's no way to deny it, man. Yeah, and he's gonna come out with an album. Say Part 1 in a couple times. 100,000 times. 85.7 times. Times 87.5 trillion times. We do this, split it out. Big ups, Drake, ASAP, Rocky, Chief Keef, French Montana, K-Dot. I'm looking for an international connect, someone who can get it so we can go break that bread. Yeah. I'll get it for you. What you needin'? I can get you anything you want when I will find it. I'll go to the hood. Nobody wants to sell me shit. I'll go to another hood. I'ma find it. And I'm not a cop. I'ma sell that dope. Real talk. I'ma get it. I'ma sell that dope. I'ma sit here. I'ma sell that dope. I do this. I ride. Let's spit a written over this. Alright. The beat. By point 1. I'm the beat that's in the backdrop, casually waiting and freaking any woman step into the cadence. Most of directions, reflections take me when I'm pacing. Never to contemplate all the wisdom that I'm chasing. Kissing destiny, thick thighs like loaded 5.9s. In these times I hate the pain, you better get young. I'm a hustler. Okay, here's another one. Something for some. The heat's hot out here, mama, how you want me to start it? Something for the sober coma. You know what I'm saying? Check all our songs out. We got 5 consecutively released written albums since 2010. I'm bringing it to y'all. Okay. Like I said, for my 3rd album. The heat's hot out here, mama, how you want me to start it? 5th gear, grabbing your left leg. I didn't write that title though, man. I would have put that in there. This is secular music. I'm just showing love to the composers, you know what I'm saying? The heat's hot out here, mama, how you want me to start it? 5th gear, grabbing your left leg. Getting out of you told me a desperate conversation needing to party. So I'm envisioning the last something sneaky retarded. So pardon me, miss, can I get a piece of that? I don't mind if you're thin, thick, middle, fat. We get toast on the Philippine beach in the back of a lack while smoking blunt, dipped in this cognac. You know that top drop, the Kodak stars out and roll that. I told you that I love you, but I never wanna hold that. And after ever see you again, you know what I mean? I'm a hustler that goes to break even split cheeks. Watch, I'ma do it, babe. I'm again, so break the pen like the bed of the swing me. I'm cupping until we end. I'ma come, just show me you did, and then I'm out. Baby girl was a couch, with changes and go south. Kiss me on my hand, baby. I'ma play up in the countryside. Man, he feeling ready to work that. This bus riding home, country burning, dough slinging, money making hope. Someone never but get nigga for investigating me. Point 1, you it really don't matter. You're 6'2" with breasts. I've got 4 friends beside her. I'm a rider till the end, nor until I'm up inside her. Man, she said it, tell me tickle on some sensual seduction. So we started rubbing this, I'm twisting of it. So I'm just trying to think of ways to play the twist, taste of foreign. Now this points are free. Kama Sutra, put a foot in my mouth. Swipe hard, baby girl, why do we ride in my house? While we there, we do anything that you wish to remind. The name's point 1. Introduce myself deep to your spine. Need gather from the melodies in each of these lines. The feed smile on your face and rehearsing the light. Sparks fly from the ignition like the 4th of July. Set it off, set it up for the next age to pop. What's your drink? How's your credit? What's your job? She got points that never sucks to the corner with teeth on my heart. And it's a beautiful day in the southern half of California where plays with money swelling needed to go some boy sky. Girls in bikinis can also mask the same. I could turn a quarter ounce to a quarter key. I could turn a point into 2 or 3. I could turn 3 points to a half a G. And I could turn a half a G to an eighth a year. I'm a hustler, baby. Show me how you flip that bread. Do it fast, get it steadily, your head. We heading straight to the best spot, the greatest in the universe, the only place that I'm at. I'm nothing, I'm not special, fam. I'm just a human being where I am, yep. Mainstream secular commercial music. I'm a being in this universe, that's true shit. And I appreciate y'all hearing this. The galaxy's so complex, let's think of it. I know you can't know about everything. We don't fuck with stupid shits, we'd rather be TV. Get to this next one. Here you guys, to Miss Hit the producer. Nat that genius, Nat the genius. Thank you all for showing love and having my back. Rolling up, riding, smoking, blowing doja. That's some good shit. That's that business, that's real ish. I'm with it. Mainstream, secular, commercial. Get music. I do it. That's G shit. Who are you when I don't give a fuck? What's up then? Mainstream, secular, commercial, music. Think you all forever for me out then. You know it's there. There's no reason to lie. You know who I am. Thanks for having my back, right? Ooh, who's connected to it? Right. I'm not hating. I'm just playing. I'm just gaming. And y'all can see it. Mainstream, secular, commercial music. That's what I'm doing. That's that true shit. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Something good. All I wanna do is take it, lady. AG, that is where I'm standing. Arroyo Grande, California, but I'm from GB, Grover Beach, yeah. Do my thing, believe me. City is where I am seeing ya, but I'm international around this country. Thank you all for knowing that I'm handling the business that I gotta do. Like, how long have I been doing this? 1 day, 2 days, 3 years, 4 years. Man, this has been me since I was born here. How you like that shit? That shit's chill. I'm just trying to get some knowledge. What's this right here? Can I get some answers there, G? Just pick up Google and ask Siri like you asking for me. Big ups, how you like beans? I'ma do my thing, you know what the fuck I am talking. I might slur up and spit this in some different way you ain't with, but at the same time, you know, to be coming off as fast as a shit, to know exactly what I'm thinking as I'm listening, yup. And I know my next word's gonna be it. Okay then, how you like that? I'm spitting this music, mainstream, secular, commercial music is what I am doing. It's true, yeah. And as for right now, I'm gonna go and say I love you all. But I gotta get to work on this video. Thank you all. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I appreciate all y'all having my back. All the composers with us, Nat that genius, you know what I'm saying? Drake, ASAP Rocky, everybody who's fucking with us right there, you know what I'm saying? This is the producer. I'm Justin David Myers, NYRS, new videos. We do this shit. Thank you all for tuning in, all the viewers and all the listeners that have my back. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have my back, and I love that. YouTube.tv, Component Entertainment, and Point One. Like I said, Justin David Myers at yahoo.com. Justin David Myers, Facebook, YouTube, and Google. Justin David Myers, NYRS, Facebook, YouTube, and Google. New videos. Like, subscribe, share. Let me get a couple comments. Ustream.tv, Component Entertainment, and Point One on VaughnLive.tv. We are the best promotion team. drboyraw.wix.com, drboyraw@gmail.com, Justin David Myers at yahoo.com, Candace Rattler at yahoo.com. Thank you all. We do this shit. Justin David Myers at outlook.com. We bang. And yeah, thank you all. Don't forget, real niggas do real things. Singles out now. RZA, Drip Dab, 99 cents less depending on retailer like our other international hit single, one-handed with my family, the Prince of the Earth, George Sale, holla at it. The Chronic 2014 out now, we working on Works of Kings. The next album is 60 Second Leap off Point One. Thank you. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I love yo. Who it? Thank you.